Hello guys, this is the Ballmaster 2006 here, and welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to be playing a game that is in a series that I personally really like. It is Cut the Rope Magic, and I loved the original Cut the Rope game. Cut the Rope 2 I never really got into because when it first came out it was paid. And I got into different games, but I just found out about this game, so yeah, there was not really an introduction to it, so I guess let's just begin. And with every, Cut the Rope game, there's, different things cool about it. Like, Cut the Rope 1, okay, this is level 2, this shouldn't be too hard. How do I get all... Yeah. Also, if you are having trouble with the game and you ever need some help with it, just come to my videos. Is probably not the best thing I should have said because it's just these levels that are gonna be simple. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, he's a bird now. Should move my cam over here. But yeah, I just really think that this could be a cool series, and I don't really have a series on my channel, so I just think that this could be good. Also, you're gonna have the occasional ad. I'll just take this time to talk to you, and if I don't have anything to talk to you, I'll just go ahead and pause it. I forgot to say pause, so I had to wait. But yeah, usually I'll just pause it, but I might just talk too. So what do we have to do in this level? Cutting this rope isn't going to do much, so I guess we'll cut this rope. Cut. No. Oh, I see. Oh, but you can only do it once? Oh, I should restart the level. Okay. Not exactly what I initially expected, but... So you want to click it, he collects a star, you get that out of the way, and then... Oh, okay. Interesting. But yeah, I just think this could be a good series, and I think each episode can be around 10 to 15 minutes. Luckily now, like with some of my past videos, it just was weird because, I would be doing a video, but then I would look at it and it says, oh no, 15 minutes, and it got to the 15-minute mark, so I had to real quickly, I'd real quickly just say bye guys and stop it. But now if it ever gets to that mark, I can just say, getting pretty long, I should pause it now. I should stop it now. So yeah, just me ranting on. I also just want to have something enjoyable. Oh my god, that noise. I love that noise. And I like the feature where every star you get, it reels you closer. What is this? I'm scared. What is this? Is this an ad? It is an ad. Must be by the same creators or something. There's really not a good spot for the face cam. But, okay. Maybe if I, Where do you guys like the face cam? I just don't know. So I'll just leave it there for now, but... If you're watching this, just like, yeah, comment down below. Yeah, I see it's hiding some things, so just comment down below where you would like the face cam. Because I don't want to make it, like, super small, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Now that that's figured out, I guess you turn into a bird. Make that noise. Eat the candy. Yay, you got the star. Because once you get the candy, you have to do it really quickly before... I'm going to just put it down there for now. You can get the star. No, I don't want to watch a video. That's not too bad. It also covers up the ad on not only your screen, but my screen too, so... What's going on here? I guess I could get that star. Oh! I did something right for once! Did I? How? Oh, I see. Yay! I did something right for once. Ah. That's new. King of Thieves. No, there's so much ads here. I just want to have fun. Whoa, what's going on? Collect, I guess. Conjure? Wait, that had a video. No, I don't want to. Be back in a sec, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Didn't take too long. But for you, it took instant. Anyways, cut the rope. This is another... Whoa, that's actually pretty cool. That's actually really cool. That's gonna... Yeah, I am. And it assumes that I want to rate it? Nope. Okay. Okay. What happens if I cut it? And then that... I can move him a little. Can I cut that? I guess I can... I brutally failed that level. Okay. Like I said, this might not be the best source of how to, I am bad. Top Hatter, get out of here. Nobody likes you. Okay. What do you guys think? So I can get that star. Honestly, right now, I don't really care about getting all 3 stars, so that one down there, I don't really care about. I'll come back and do it later, maybe. If that's even an issue, but boom, got it. Oh, but if I did get it, then no, I don't need your hint. Another thing for cats. What's that even mean? Okay, face cam issues again. I'll just put it right there for now. Okay. That happens. What does... Oh, that cuts the rope. Har, 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 puns for days. I might have killed him. Okay. What do I have to do? Okay. Aw, that's even worse than killing him. Making him sad. Oh god, another ad. App loading? I don't... Be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. What must I do now? What is my journey quest? I think I was onto something on this one. I just have to, like, do that, maybe? No, definitely not. Okay. I can get him into the stream. Oh my gosh. This is free. What's that mean? Okay, so I don't have to watch an ad. Oh. Maybe that was something that so complicated. I guess my first one's free, right? Okay. Well, I guess I just used a free one. Yay, got my gift. 15 gems that I had no idea what they actually do. Oh, look at the time. Already 11 minutes. Okay, so what shall I do in this one? What's this do? Birdie. Okay. Okay, cool. It's gonna be another ad, I swear. Actually, no. Last time I paused it, this one wasn't that bad. All I have to do is close it. Okay. Interesting. I guess... And then I can do that. And then, well, I don't know why I would think of doing that, seeing as that would blow it completely off stream. But luckily I didn't. And like I said before, I don't care about stars right now. I just want to really upload a video at least once every day, so. What are you doing? What did I just do? Was this like a mini game or something? Level 50 out of 1? What the heck? See that? It said level 50 out of 1. I can't do anything there. Facecam is in the way. I can't. Okay, well, I can turn him into a bird. And I can make noises. And I can do that. And that helps me exactly how? I can get that into the stream. And boom. Boom. I have no idea what this is. Okay. Restore Om-Nom's appetite for candy. No, thank you. Okay. Oh, I have to wait? Really? Well, guys, it is 14 minutes in, so I guess that's a sign. This has been the Mobmaster 2006. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already. Heck, leave a comment if you feel like it. I know that comments are cool, but if you enjoyed this video, then yeah, see you next time. Bye.